What's up, everyone? Today's video, we're going to turn this mini grill into a charcoal smoker, cooking some pork butt burn ends. Let's go. So first, let's just set up this smoker because, well, I'm calling it a smoker, but it's really just your average charcoal grill. I bought this literally for about maybe 45 bucks. I'll put the link in the description for this barbecue if you want to get it. It's super cheap. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to line the inside with some tin foil to just make it easier to clean up at the end here. Makes everything a lot easier. So yeah, let's get this done. I got these drip pans here. This is gonna catch the fat from the pork butt, and it's also, we're gonna fill this up with apple juice just to give it that extra flavor and keep the pork butt moist, because we don't want that to dry out. So we're gonna put one of these in the smoker. It's not going to fill up the whole thing, but I'll show you guys in a bit. All right, so this is the setup we got going. It's that we just filled the lining with tin foil, and then we're going to put this tin foil tin right under here, and the pork butt cubes will sit on this side. We're going to fill this side up with charcoal and wood chips. So, and I'll show you guys what that looks like in a bit. So far, this is what it looks like right now. We put the tin foil underneath this little grill to hold the charcoal, and then we put I'll put a paper towel here just to get it lit easier, and then I'm going to put a little bit of lighter fluid on it. Then we got the wood chips, cherry wood, and then we got the charcoal. So once we do that, we're going to fill this up with apple juice, probably like an inch high. All right, so actually before we put the pork butt on the grill, we're gonna start up the charcoal, the wood chips right now, just so we gotta get this to at least 225 to 250. So I'm gonna aim for the middle range. I'm just gonna go like, 230, 235. I do have a thermometer I'm gonna put in here. So let's load that up. All right, so we are pretty much at the perfect temperature. We're at 243. It's dropping a little bit, so I'm gonna put the meat in now and then kind of bump it up, put a little more wood chips. So it's at a perfect, it's dropping, but we want that at 225. So I'm gonna put the meat in now. So you want the meat on this side of the grill. If you have to move some cubes over, because you don't want it directly over the coals. So maybe put the thicker pieces of meat closer to the coals, but all right, they are ready to go. Let's do this. All right, so the meat is on the grill. So now we just wait. We wait for about an hour, and I'm gonna flip the meat over. That way it's evenly cooked on each side. And I'm just gonna keep an eye on this temperature reading. And that's the hardest part, is keeping this at 225, 250. That's really the hardest part of this. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that, and now we wait. And I'll see you guys in an hour. Alright, so it's been a little bit over an hour. So now I'm just gonna flip the cubes, the pork butt. I'm just gonna flip them so they get even heat from the charcoal, because we don't want it all on one side getting heated. So we're just gonna flip it over. I'll show you. Looking really good. It's at 244. Not bad at all, as long as we get it under 250. So let's take a look at what these babies look like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, those are looking really nice. Really nice. So we're just gonna flip the rack around so it's evenly heated. So just some updates. Let's see how they're looking now. Wow, looking really nice. It's the perfect bark that we want. So there you go. So we're gonna take these off, and then we're gonna soak them in some barbecue and honey and some brown sugar and butter. Let's do it. So we're gonna throw some barbecue sauce on it. Let's get this all around. Let's do the honey. Get some brown sugar. All right, now we're gonna put this back on the grill. All right, I took them off the grill, and this is what they look like when they're done. These look so good. I'm gonna let these rest for a few more minutes, and we're gonna do the taste test. Here we go. All right, these look amazing. We've been out here since like 10 a.m. and it's about 2:30. So yeah, we've been out here for a while, and we're gonna try these out. So let's go for one of them. Damn. Wow. These are pretty much, like it says, meat candy. You could taste the cherry wood for sure. You get a little bit of that charcoal, of course, with that barbecue sauce. Damn, I could eat these all day. Thanks for tuning into this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Man, sorry, I can't even talk, but these are amazing. Hopefully you guys give it a to try yourself. I'm going to post the recipe in the description. And yeah, you could turn your charcoal grill into a smoker. It takes some work. I had some trouble getting it at that right temperature, but all in all, it's definitely doable, and the end result was worth it. All right, guys, see you on the next video. Peace.